Anyway, 61 Chevrolet Corvette convertible roadster, tuxedo black and silver over red. This has got some interesting rock star provenance.
Oh, it does?
Yeah. Joey Kramer of Aerosmith owned this car, the drummer for Aerosmith.
Okay.
Owned this car. Apparently there is some serious documentation of this.
Okay,
or whatever,
good.
Names.
Little provenance.
Little provenance. Near flawless restoration. NCRS and Bloomington Gold winner. Numbers matching 283, 270 horse V8. Just very correct example. It's really an amazing car. It ain't cheap.
Right.
But, you know.
If you want a good restoration.
And, you know, of course, the interesting thing about the 61 and 62 Corvettes is that you would get a preview of the tail of the 63s, the Stingrays. And that tail was different and got them going in that direction. Right. So you're almost seeing a preview. And, of course, you didn't know it at the time. And, of course, when the 63s came out, people thought spaceships had landed on them. Right? I mean, they were really revolutionary to people when they first came out. You know what? The Stingray was pinned by Pete Brock.